given the social, let's say, state of affairs in the society, uh, Waliullah thought that we could bring social change by reviving the following of religion. तो उसके ख्याल में इसके डिक्लाइन की बड़ी वजह ये है कि people are not following the dictates of religion. It is not being enforced by the rulers of the country, and this is how we find that some kind of let's say problems in the society. So not only the rulers, but he also blamed the ulama for this particular thing. So even he was looking into some deviations, some misinterpretations by the ulama or by the Sufis. So in his opinion, Sufis with insufficient knowledge of the Quran and traditions were responsible for this decline. They were more or less the robbers and thieves of the religion. He considered himself as a Mujaddid of 18th century. Mujaddid implies the fighter for the cause of God. Therefore, he took upon himself the task to purge the Muslim society of evils which had crept into the religion. So he used the concept of irtifaq, जिसका मतलब है कि the actions of the people ought to be in the benefit of not only themselves but in the benefit of the society. So religion is for the collective benefit of the society. If we follow the religious tenets, then definitely it's going to lead to the, let's say, social change. It's going to lead to, let's say, bringing society back on the course which religion is expecting. So we see that irtifaq implies the ways and means by which one can tide over his social and economic difficulties. तो अगर इस अंदाज से करेंगे तो कलेक्टिव उसमें लेट्स से कोऑर्डिनेशन कोऑपरेशन होगा तो definitely whatever the problems in the society are, whether these are economic or social, these could be taken care of. So people have to do work, let's say, for the welfare of the society, for the well-being of others. तो अपने आप को ही फ्रंट पे नहीं रखिए, बल्कि कलेक्टिव बेनिफिट की बात की जा सकती है. So God asked man to pursue irtifaqat for his necessities since the days of Adam. And this is how maybe at that time they could even face the, let's say, any let's say disasters or anything which is जिसको आप कह लें कि ख़तरनाक हो सकती है, इकट्ठे होकर उसका ये मुकाबला कर सकते हैं. So well-being of social order depended on the virtues of purity and cleanliness, and these could be the humility, the sublimation, and justice. These virtues had declined in that society, और चूंकि ये डिक्लाइन हो गया है इसलिए सोसाइटी में डिक्लाइन है, सोसाइटी में डिज़ास्टर है, सोसाइटी में कॉन्फ्लिक्ट नज़र आ रही है, सोसाइटी में करप्शन नज़र आ रही है. तो ये जो वर्च्यूज़ हैं इनका रिवाइवल चाहिए. इनका रिवाइवल होगा तो ऑटोमेटिकली सोसाइटी जो है इज़ गोइंग टू बी बैक ऑन इट्स ट्रैक. सो वलीउल्लाह reawakened Islam on a broader basis than that of the traditional theology. और ये reawakening जो थी, इस ये बेस कर रही है उसकी पहली जो बात है जिसको हमने कहा कि रैशनलिज्म या माकूलात. So the philosophy of religion is that it is based on rationalism. So there should be rational understanding was the solution for the revival of virtues. और जितनी virtues हैं these are rooted in religion. और अगर religion में है और religion जो है वो एक rational है तो उसके पीछे logic है. तो अगर हम उस logic को समझेंगे तो हम देखते हैं कि सोसाइटी जो है वो विल बी बैक ऑन इट्स फीट. सो ए ब्रॉड ह्यूमनिस्टिक sociological base was emphasized by a doctrine of social and economic justice in Islamic terms. So that is how the revivalism movement की जो बात हो रही है, Shah Waliullah tried to start with that.